Hi, I'm here at 314 Norwood Avenue in Avon by the Sea. Beautiful borough, it's oceanfront. Behind me is Sylvan Lake. The town is bordered by water on three sides, and this is on the north end. Sylvan Lake separates Avon by the Sea from Bradley Beach. 314 Norwood has a front and a rear home. This is a possibility for a tremendous renovation or perhaps a whole new build. Let's take a look. The home was built in the early 1900s, and as a result, most folks, despite this wraparound porch, would probably consider it a teardown for a new build. However, if you use your imagination and undertake a phenomenal restoration, this could be a spot for a dream vacation. With inventory so limited at the Jersey Shore, particularly in Avon by the Sea, this beautiful oceanfront town, 314 Norwood Avenue serves as a tremendous opportunity for someone. If you'd like to further explore it, please give me a shout. I can be reached at 732-272-5898. Thanks so much for joining me.